Mary loved gardening for over 40 years. Every spring, she dreamed of fresh tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and sweet peppers growing in her backyard. But at 72 years old, there was one problem. Every time she bent down to pull weeds or plant seedlings, her back reminded her that she wasn't 40 anymore. One afternoon, after just 20 minutes in the garden, she slowly stood up, held her lower back, and quietly said, "Maybe my gardening days are over." If you've ever felt that way, don't go anywhere, because today, I'll show you the simple no-bending garden system that is helping thousands of older adults continue gardening with less strain, less pain, and much more enjoyment. Welcome to Evergreen Seniors, where we help you live healthier, happier, and more independent every day. If gardening brings you peace but your body doesn't always cooperate, today's video could change the way you garden forever. A few days after Mary almost gave up gardening, her neighbor invited her over. Instead of seeing rows of vegetables on the ground, Mary saw beautiful raised garden beds. The vegetables were growing waist-high. Her neighbor stood comfortably while planting lettuce. No kneeling, no bending, no struggling to get back up. Mary couldn't believe it. She asked, "Can gardening really be this easy?" The answer was yes. Raised garden beds are one of the best gardening solutions for seniors. Because the soil is higher off the ground, you don't have to bend as much while planting, watering, or harvesting. Many gardeners find this reduces strain on the back, knees, and hips. You can build raised beds from wood, metal, or other durable materials. For even greater comfort, some raised planters are built high enough that you can garden while standing or sitting on a chair. Another helpful idea is using long-handled gardening tools. These tools let you weed, cultivate, and plant without constantly bending over. Keeping a lightweight garden stool nearby can also make gardening more comfortable if you need to sit while working. And don't forget to place your watering can, gloves, and tools within easy reach before you begin. Reducing unnecessary trips around the garden can make the experience much easier. Mary decided to build two raised beds. At first, she wondered if it would really make a difference. But a month later, everything had changed. She was spending more time enjoying her garden instead of recovering from it. Her tomatoes were thriving. Her herbs were flourishing. Most importantly, she smiled every time she stepped outside. Not because gardening had become easier, but because she realized she hadn't lost the hobby she loved. She had simply found a smarter way to keep doing it. Remember these simple ideas. Grow your vegetables in raised beds whenever possible. Use long-handled gardening tools. Work during the cooler parts of the day. Take short breaks and stay hydrated. Listen to your body and avoid pushing through pain. Gardening should leave you feeling refreshed, not exhausted. Growing older doesn't mean giving up the things that bring you joy. Sometimes, all it takes is changing the way you do them. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. Would you try a no-bending garden, or do you already use one? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Evergreen Seniors, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next gardening and healthy living tip. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep growing one garden at a time.